Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. So today I'm about to share with you how I made my porridge plantain. These are the three major ingredients you will need. The first one is your plantain. This is half fried plantain. So I just had 3 half fried plantain and 1 unripe. So I'm making 4. I'm using this 4. I'm going to peel this up, and then I have my flamenco. This has been properly washed. If you want to know how I wash this, then leave a comment below. And here I have some dry fish. The Ikwere calls this ubo, but I don't know the next name for it, but you can use any dry fish of your choice, but I just like using this one. So now I'm going to peel up my plantain and get started. So while I was cutting my plantain into tiny cubes like this, I left water in the pot to boil. So I'm just going to pour everything. And then I'm just going to mix that and leave this to boil while I wash my fish. And my plantain just started boiling. What I'm going to add now is my fish. What I did was to take off the head and wash it with salt. So this is how it looks. It's well washed, properly cleaned, and I'm going to throw that in. So the next thing I'm going to add is my fresh pepper. Now I'll give this a mix. So I'm going to add my onions. Now I'm going to allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. And while the plantain is cooking, I'm going to throw in my flamenco. And then I'll go and wash up my scent leaf. And here is my scent leaf. What I do is, whenever I want to make something like this that I need to use scent leaf, I can buy my scent leaf and I can store it for about 1 week. So this is what I do. I put it in a foil paper like this and wrap it, put it in the fridge. It can stay for about a week. So this is how to preserve your scent leaf. What I'm going to do now is cut this out and then wash it, slice it in tiny pieces, and I'll show you how it looks like. And this has been cooking for 15 minutes on a very low heat, not too low, but on a normal heat. Now what I'm going to add is my crayfish. I'm going to add 2 seasoning cubes, and I'm going to add salt to taste. Give this a good stir to combine. The next thing I'm going to add is my palm oil. I'm going to allow this to simmer for about 10 minutes. So guys, what I'm going to add next is my scent leaf. And I'm going to mix all of that goodness together. Now I'm going to allow this to just simmer for 5 minutes and my porridge is ready. And thank you so much, guys. This is it for today. I'm just going to dish that out. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. God bless you as you do that. Until I see you in my next video. Bye.